Special bonus tip number 6. Increase activities outside of your normal structured activities. What do I mean by that? Most of your weight loss will be lost by doing things that seemingly like small things. So that would be things like increasing housework levels, walking to the shop rather than driving to the shop, carrying a basket rather than pushing a trolley around when you're doing shopping, go shopping more frequently, taking walks around town, walking down the platform if you're on underground, walking to the end of the platform, going up the stairs rather than going in a lift. Things like that are going to make the biggest difference. That's going to be the biggest change. Because if you think about it, if I turn up to the gym or whatever, a class like 3 times a week, that's only 3 hours of the week. What am I doing the rest of the time? So that's good, doing the 3 hours a week, but what I need to be doing is making sure that my activity levels are increasing around that as well. So I mean, you can do things like walking to town, you can put a pedometer on it, you can actually monitor it. A pedometer is a useful thing because you can measure how many steps you're actually taking, so you can measure your activity levels. So if you can get a pedometer and actually measure how much activity you're actually doing, and you can also, I mean, some people like to cycle to work, but you do need to increase and think about what you're doing. You can't just sit down and that's it for the rest of the time. You have to sort of move around a bit, walk up and down the stairs. Again, just make sure that you're doing a lot more activities around the structured activities. That is a very key thing to your success. A way that you can do that, and I'll give you another added tip, I want you to get value from this, is if you had a physical activity diary, so Monday to Sunday, and morning, afternoon and evening, and this is what I give to my clients. So if you just had that and you just marked that down, how many minutes you were doing in the morning, how many minutes you're doing in the afternoon, how many minutes you're doing in the evening, every single day, just mark it down what you're actually doing, and just to see how much you're actually doing. So there you go, and welcome and thank you very much.